Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this bakery item and Dress to Impress Petal updates. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get this item, unfortunately you need to enter the VIP room because this item is only available in the VIP room. It's right here. And this is how the VIP room looks like in the Petal update and Dress to Impress. And I'm going to show you about this item. Okay, here you can change the color and also apply pattern as well. But unfortunately, we have no toggle for it. We can't change the toggle. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.